that in your statement, you said it all. You said you are using a word you don't often use. Emancipation of a people. And that exactly is what it is. That's the only word to use. For what has happened in our state and for what we are going through, there is no other way to describe what our dear governor has done than to say it is an emancipation of our people. Your Excellency, you are a true father. You are a true father because all of us, practically all the political gladiators in this state, were at one time or the other close associates of yours, worked under you. When you see trouble in the house, you call attention. Because they're all adults, some listen, some don't listen. But a child that does not listen to a father's voice does not end well. In Africa, they say the mangrove fruit that falls when the tide is full will not have a soil to drop into, and so will drop in the water and be carried away into the ocean. Your Excellency, this governor has learned from you. He has learned from you, he has heard from you, and he's built on what you started in this state, bringing people together. Sir Siminalayi Fubara has shown that indeed good children can be a pride to their parents. He is a pride to the Rivers people. Because God brought him to this position, Your Excellency, he was able to take a stand for God. Just like you said, he took a stand for God. And we can all feel it. This Christmas, the happiness is really palpable, absolutely palpable. It's happening everywhere. I saw a float around UTC, and they were shouting the governor's name and saying that, look, Port Harcourt is sweeter than Lagos. And I was very happy. And I was personally happy that I'm associated with this government. The kind of happiness that I had working with you, Your Excellency, is the kind of happiness I have been associated with SYMFONI.